Tears, it's the bull, Gary.
What's that mean?
Get ready to run. Gary's in. Whoa, get in. Put it right. No, you've got it the wrong way around, Gary. Where? Well, welcome back everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Firstly, big thank you to all those people who hit the subscribe button. I think there's nearly 600 of you now, so massive thank you. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please consider doing so. It doesn't cost anything and it really helps the channel, because I've just noticed the amount of people watching, 80% are subscribers. So if even half of that, oh, I nearly went there, if even half of that percentage hit that subscribe button, it'd be a massive help to the channel. So, and before I forget, a big thank you to everyone for leaving nice comments on the videos. It's much appreciated. It spurs us on to make more videos. Let's get on with it. So, as you've just seen there, crossing the moors, the wind today, 46 mile an hour, southwesterly winds. So I'm back in the Highlands. Just have to watch where I'm going here. I'm back in the Highlands, off to one of my favourite marks, on the hunt for some big pollock. I've joined again. I'll spin you around. He's in front this time. There he is there, Gary, subscriber. So we fished yesterday, one of Gary's marks again. We got some cracking fish yesterday, some cracking fish. I feel a lot better today. I had a migraine headache yesterday. I don't know whether it was because I was dehydrated or listening to Gary's fishing stories all day. I think that's what it was. Had a pounding headache yesterday. In fact, it's just gone away. I was listening to Gary's fishing stories, I think. But anyway, gonna crack on, get on the rocks, get set up and bring yours back, hopefully when we're cranking in some big pollock. So I'll bring yours back when I'm on the rocks. See you soon. Gary's got one on the GoPro. We've just been on about it there. Oh, look at this, it's a cracker. Where you going with it? Oh, you'll have to go down it. Sent you, didn't I? I've already got the GoPro on. Get it from here, hopefully. Hopefully I'll be able to zoom in. We'll get it in. Crack them on that. Hold it up. Aye, I might be able to zoom in on it. Aye, it's cracking that. Get it straight back.
Get in. He's off the blank.
Straight down. We're just talking about it there because we could see all the little bait fish. Seeing that's the big ones to come next thing. There's one on. Fantastic. Gary's got another one on. He's coming down the rock face there. Where's it? Alright. That's a nice one. Another nice one. Oh, aye, look at that. That's a cracker, that.
Lovely.
Too close to the camera.
Sorry.
Crack 'em on that. Where was that? Does it down the side again, or was it?
I just went, I was a bit further out that mark.
Was it? Oh, Gary, what are you doing?
He's in four different places.
Oh, there. Well, that's a lovely one, that. Cracker.
Blew the lace on it, you read like the other day.
Aye.
Go back.
Oh, jump backwards. It's a way down. Cracking one, that. Cracker. Gavy's just got a small one there. You had your hand right over it, you couldn't even see it. Oh, don't know if you're getting this in there. Oh, first cast. Here it goes. We're sort of sheltered here a little bit. It's started to rain now. At least we're out of the wind a little bit. It's 40 odd mile an hour winds behind us. I'll film today the best I can. Got a good feeling. Still gonna get some good fish. Oh, see what I mean? Gusts of wind. Might have to move. I'll try the soft plastics later as well. Whoa, there he went. All of a sudden a gust will come. Got one on. One on. Come on. It's not very big, but I'll take it. It's an inverted spin. I should have seen Gavy's face. Can I hear you? Can I do?
Try and hit that spot, Stephen's got that big one.
There.
Were you there?
We're up there. There. What's here? We'll try here for a bit. And then we'll get over there out the wind like. The tide's going out at the minute. One on, just a small one. Just a little, whoa, you bugger. Just a little close in. Straight back. Changed over. Soft plastic from Decathlon. See what happens. Gavy's just caught a canny one there. Whoa. That was snagged there about 4 times. In the kelp, but still pulled out. Must be good line, this £30 4 strand. Quite sheltered here, right? Aye, there's bottom water in it now. Bottom water. So we've moved areas now, because round there was far too windy. More sheltered here. And those who watch the videos, those who watch all the videos I mean, will remember this is the spot where I met Gavy here. When he come over the rocks and said, it's fish and mark, was this exact spot. And look now, look what's happened now. I kind of get rid of him now.
Going home.
Oh, you can get over there now, that island. Look, I've always wanted to fish off there. Whoop, getting hit, get in.
Get in.
Oh, it's come off. Oh, not on. Bloody hell, look at this. What's this? Come on. First decent fish. Well, it's probably just a mackerel. It's a mackerel, man. Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it go down with the water. Bloody hell. That's a mackerel. Did not have it. Because it's a biggie. It's a biggie. It's a biggie. I don't know if I might have to keep that one through the head. Oh, it's not getting back. With the blood out of it, man. Oh no, oh. Oh. Oh, might burn back. It's not that bad. But a mackerel, better than nothing. Oh God, there you go. Nice mackerel. Straight back. See away? Oh yeah, he's away. Flew back. I hope we're not getting these all the time. Look at that. I hope we're not getting these all the time. I thought when it hit it, Lee. Be good on the other rod. Gabby's in. Whoa, get in. Look at this. Nice one. Gonna have to get into that vicinity. Oh, it's a lovely one. Shall we give it in? Pull it round here, Gabby, you might have to go down. Watch what you do. Go on, alright, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. Will you be able to pull it round? That rod's gonna snap. I wouldn't do that. That's why we should have brought, I tell you to bring the net. You'll have to go around there. You can climb down this way. Get under there.
Can't get it, Mary.
Oh, you just got to handbar it in.
Keys, you can.
We're going to snap the rod tip. Shit here, look at that. Alright, it's a nice one, you're just taking it off there.
It's a chunky one, isn't it?
Oh, aye.
Come on, son.
It's away.
See you next time.
Straight down, cracking that.
Oh, just look. Thank you for the assist.
Oh, ready fell over. Got what on there? Just a smiling. Just a smiling. What I was saying, it's not that. Oh, I'm pleased with that. Pleased with that one. On the red gill. I felt it whacking it like. Oh, they're getting bigger for me. Oh. Oh, it's given us a bit of hope anyway, because I've been fishing for hours and not caught anything. A nice little one there. Nice colours. Lovely. Get straight back. Straight down. Get in. Straight back out. Oh, it was a massive one, that. Away. Away. Oh, it's in the kelp. Oh, I swim out. Stuck in the kelp. Come on, swim out. Oh. Hey, you know what it is? Ta-da! See if it swims out. Eh? Try pulling it from over this way. Well and truly stuck. It was a bigger than that. Can't believe that. Let some line out. Tell you to up here, like. Eh?
So it's in as well.
Just be here, aye. I might just put it down with a ratchet there with a drag off. Use the other one. See if it swims out. Eh?
Leave it on.
Aye. Damn. That was a good one now. It's still pulling, mate. Still on. Oh, something come there. Something went there, did you see it? Jump up. You've got to be very quick with these, like, so they don't go in the kelp. It's well and truly stuck. I'll give it 5 minutes. This happened before and the line was that strong. It had the fish on and a massive big bit of kelp with a root. Eh?
That's a later rod.
Aye. Well, I got the spinner back. Must have pulled out the fish. Try again. Come on. We're just gonna ganner now. Tell you though, come on, get it up through the kelp. Oh, it's come off. It's come off. Damn. I hope I can slow that down. I know. I tell you that here, like.
I've waited for ages for that.
Oh well. Shouldn't have pulled on the rod too hard.
Trying to keep it on the day, you know.
Where did you get that one then? Just down there?
Yeah, bring it in, aye.
Damn. I bet you, well, zoom in, probably got all that, like.
Just get jolly.
Put it right. No, you've got it the wrong way around, Gabby. Where? Gabby. Get in. Come on. Come on. Get in. Oh no. Come on. Come on. Oh. Keep the camera straight, Gabby. Come on, there. Come on. Get in.
doesn't it?
Get on, that was a hell of a scrap that. Not a huge one. But can he? Give it back.
That's as big as that box.
Eh?
It's huge. He's away.
Cracking. Oh, we'll stay here now. We'll stay here now. Well, I'm not going to lie, today was hard work in those conditions. And I don't know whether I've done something to the fishing as well, because normally it's quite good here. But we still caught some canny fish, especially Gary caught some good ones. I caught some alright fish, I suppose. Which I was pleased about, really, to be honest, because of the conditions. I lost a good one as well down the side, as you have just seen. So just climbing up this, back up this cliff, back up here, the cliff behind us. There's Gary behind us there. 12 years younger than me, should be running up this at his age. He should be running. So if you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Load of cows. I don't know if you can hear this because of the wind, like. Load of cows here. Gary asks, where the cows come from?
No, I didn't ask that.
The answer is, I said, the mother's Oh, it's the bull.
Oh, don't walk.
Tis, it's the bull, Gary.
What's that mean?
Get ready to run.
Run away, I'm a fat twat. Go on.
Ah.
I'm not going to charge that.
Oh, I'm gonna Gary, we can't get past this, man.
Go on.
Oh. Gary, is that a bull or a cow? Gary, it's the bull. It's got a big chopper, look at. Look, it's the bull, look at it.
Oh no.
Run at it and it'll frighten it.
Walk away. Don't mess around, man.
Go on. It's the bull, look at. Look at. Look at the size of its knacks.
Walk away.
Stop touching us, man.
Move, I'm scared.
Shut up, man. They look at its big Gary. It's the bull. Gary, watch!
You stop shouting.
Hello. It's a nice one, look at.
Yeah.
Grabbing onto me. So that behind us there, the brown one, Gary says, is that the bull? The one with the big massive and a massive Tajarelli. Is that the bull?
Has got any horns?
He had me, honestly, Scott, he had me terrified there, grabbing onto us, saying run. So that's the extra footage at the end of the video. Time to get back to the van for a cup of tea, because I'm absolutely drained. Bye bye.